Hey up everyone, and welcome to Torremolinos. Now today I'm going to have a walk down the promenade here into Torremolinos. We'll have a little walk around Torremolinos and see what it's like. So if you want to come with me, come on, let's go. So we're just walking down the promenade at the minute, going towards Torremolinos from Benalmadena. Nice little bar here, coffee shop. And we've got some tat. You see the beach and the sea. And another chiringuita. Plenty of hotels overlooking. That's the Hotel La Barracuda. And plenty of lucky men selling their tat. Yeah, as you can see, a lot of things are actually closed and been renovated, ready for the summer season. Oh, that's quite nice. Look who I've bumped into. Say hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
So we'll have a walk down to this beach. Have a look at the sea. Yeah, so we're currently in the winter season here in Torremolinos, so as you can see there's a lot of places closed. It's very quiet, although there's loads of people walking up and down the promenade. Here we've got the Pesa Espada. Looks like they're doing some work in that as well. I'm glad to see they've got the beach showers. That's the Pesa Espadas as well. And they look like posh rooms. Feliz Navidad. It's a nice restaurant with the thatch roofs. Currently closed. Well, it ain't that warm. Another chiringuito, Remo Beach Club. We've got plenty of shops now. More restaurants. People sat on the beach there, look, in the chairs. Indian and Italian. Would you do that? An Indian that sells Italian? Sports shop. It's a busy little promenade, this. Plenty of sunglasses in here, and we need them today. Plenty of apartments up here, overlooking the sea. Let's go and have a look at this back street up here. So this street here runs parallel with the promenade. Quite cute, isn't it? Plenty of shops on here. Your bags, all your leather goods. 50% off. I bet it's lovely this at night, all lit up. All these little cafes and bars all full. Lovely little street. And we have ourselves a church. Anybody for a kettle? Some tat here. There's a lot of leather shops. A little tapas bar there. Bar America. All your cocktails, €8. I've got to say, this place looks so Spanish. It's beautiful. Wow. Oh, lemon meringue. Nice. Fresh fish. You can't beat a bit of fresh fish. And there seems to be a cow in the sky. And that's the road we've just been on. So it opens up a little here. Busy little cafe. And yep, we've stopped for another drink.
A well-earned drink this time.
Why is it well earned?
Because that's a lot of steps.
8,250 steps.
I don't think he has. Right, so we've stopped for a drink. Look at this. Mum has got Coke. Karen has got Fanta. And Dad's got a coffee.
With brandy in.
And obviously, I've got beer. You've just got to, haven't you? Cheers.
It'd be rude not to.
Yeah, exactly. But that's only when you're having, because they're free after 5.
So we're back on the promenade here in Torremolinos. There we have the Caribbean Beach Club. And the very British Sunset Inn. These do an happy hour. Cocktails, 2 for €12. Mojito, sex on the beach, pina colada and tequila sunrise. And they do a San Miguel for €3.50.
Quite good for up front.
And that's where I'm going to finish today's video. I hope you enjoyed this little stroll down the promenade here in Torremolinos. Just a little look at a part of Torremolinos on the front and a little back street we had there. Thank you so much for watching. Please do hit that like and subscribe button. Don't forget the hype button. And until the next one, from here in Torremolinos, goodbye.